Welcome to our channel at school. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube at @ischool. Today we are discussing about the new Gmail look. In present we are enjoy Gmail Classic View. But recently Gmail has launched its new look. For enjoy Gmail's new look, first click on the right side on setting menu. Now click on to try new Gmail. Now customize your inbox's view. You can customize it with 3 options. These are comfort mode, default mode or compact mode. You will see lot of changes into every menu of Gmail, but the functionality is same as classical view. Here some new or existing options available easy in this mode. Some of the functions are calendar, task scheduling, or event handling into the Gmail. You can also convert with the add-ons function, which is able to get add-ons as you wish to add into your Gmail account. For go back to classical mode, again click on settings. Now click on the first option on go back to classical view. Thanks for watching us. For more, subscribe us. Don't forget to share.